Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haze and today is the last coloring page for my watercolor brush pad, but don't worry because I will have a landscape series soon. So this is a tiger watercolor illustration that I will be doing using my watercolor brush pad, and if you haven't downloaded already, you can get either the free version, the basic or the premium version from my website at hazelong.com. And today there will be a lot of flats using the superstar brush and also a lot of gradients using the blending wash. So as we remember, if we use any of these brushes in Procreate, every time you break your stroke, you will start to multiply and it will overlay on top with a darker color. So if you do not want that to happen, you have to not break your stroke and make sure that it's in a continuous stroke. Just try not to lift your fingers from the iPad. So we're going to start with using the blending wash brush to create the gradient for the tiger first. So we're going to press lightly on tilt.
Call me out, tiger.
And do a soft wash that we can blend at the same time. So just decide on a gradient color that you like and color the tiger first. If you want more paint, just press harder, but if you want to blend, you can just press lighter to blend. Now we're going to use the eraser to erase away the edges. When you have a clean edge already, we're going to erase with salt for texture. Now we're going to use the bleeding wash brush for the edges for a more natural look. So just change color accordingly when you move from color to color. After that, we're going to start flattening every shape with the superstar brush. So remember to do each area in one continuous stroke. Once you overlap them, they will start to multiply and get darker. So you can see here the brush creates a lot of interesting texture and it's very natural. So just have fun coloring every element in this illustration. So this is a great piece for you to practice on working in one continuous stroke. But if you mess up, or if you have sweaty palms like me and the strokes keep breaking, you can just smudge the strokes away using the soft water smudge in the smudge tool. Once you're done with your flattening, you can use a bleeding wash brush to color the base for all the flowers. For the second layer for the flowers, use darker colors but keep things loose so that you don't lose the romance of the loose drawing here for this illustration. Remember to just suggest details, don't be so tight. And using the same brush, you can drop in more gradients for the leaves and every other illustrations around it in certain areas so that they appear more watercolory. Now we're going to change to the wet liner and line all the leaves and flowers. Take your time and enjoy doing this. You can also drop in weird shapes or abstract shapes depending on what you like. Now we're going to start to color in the tiger stripes with Superstar Wash brush. So a few different colors in the same stripes is okay, just blend with the soft water smudge loaded in your smudge tool. But bear in mind the colors underneath and just use analogous colors that are matching with the colors that are underneath. As you slowly head towards the face should have darker stripes so that it can pull the focus off the viewer. Now we're going to duplicate the base layer for the tiger and erase away the highlights area to suggest fur or shading. Then we can also adjust the opacity of the base layer itself so that it matches the entire illustration. We can also use salt to erase. Now we're going to use the Superstar Wash brush to drop in some shadows for the tiger. Now we're going to use the Well-Behaved liner on a new layer to line the tigers and everything else that needs lining. You can change color occasionally, be creative. Refine the leaves if you have to, or add shadows so that everything just pops. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have completed today's coloring page, remember to share them and tag me at Haze Long in Instagram. And don't worry that there won't be any more watercolor tutorials because I'm having so much fun with this watercolor brush pad that I will continue making more tutorials for Procreate using this brush pad. So I'll see you next time. Don't miss me too much. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!